guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a new wig unboxing. I did film 2 wig videos today. So this wig was really like my backup wig because I wasn't too sure about the first one, but this is a 38-inch 613 wig, or it should be. Of course, we're gonna measure it in a little bit, but this is from Fabeauty on Aliexpress. I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. So this or my other 613 wig will be my Renaissance wig. So I am super excited. We are going to go ahead and open this package, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And let's get into this video. So this is a 150% density wig, but the densities end up varying so much between each company. So we're gonna see how thick this wig is. 38 inches and a 13x4. So I have never gotten a wig in a box like this. And it came from USPS. So this is pretty interesting. This is new for all of us. Oh, let me not hurt myself. I ordered this wig on July 7th and the wig actually arrived July 14th. So it took exactly 7 days for this wig to come. So this company does have 613 wigs up to 42 inches, y'all. And like I always tell you all, make sure to ask the vendor, hey, do you have the 38-inch 150% density wig in stock before you order from them? Because I was originally wanting to get a 40-inch, but they told me they did not have 40 inches in stock at the moment. They told me I could either get the 42 or 38, and I went with 38. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, this is just like a little return label. But here's the wig. This is how it comes, you guys. So let's see. Printed on here, it says 38-inch 613 blonde lace frontal with natural hairline. Okay, let's see what we have. Hey, Time. Look at Time. Time is making his appearance in the video. Of course. This wig is pretty heavy. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty heavy for a 150% density wig. That's why sometimes you really can't judge based on that too much, because it can just vary so much by company. Like, I'm just feeling this wig and like, this is not your regular 150% density. Like, this is pretty thick. Like, that is nice. So I am smelling like a little bit of a warehousey smell with this, but I mean, it's nothing crazy. Of course, these wigs probably do sit in a warehouse for a while, but like, this is a really nice thickness and 150% density. So the other 613 wig I ordered is about this same thickness, and that one is advertised as a 180% density. So this one is really, really thick for 150. I know sometimes, like me specifically, I assume 150% density is gonna be super thin, but this is thick, you guys. This is pretty thick. Like, that's not your regular 150% density wig. So this is a lace front, so you don't get a full 13x4 frontal, but this is a lot of space compared to some of the other wigs you get with 13x4. So you get 4 inches in the middle. Like, that's not bad. Like, sometimes they are not generous with the 13x4s whatsoever. I do feel like they were a little bit generous with the spacing here. So I mean, that's good, that's good. But here is the length. So I'm gonna stand up for you all. I'm 5'7", so let's see where this wig will fall on me if I had it on. So, okay, this is long. This is super long. Like, this is past my butt. Of course, it does have like a slight curl to it right now. So it is my mid-thigh, like right here, basically. So let's see. This is pretty. This is very pretty. That is interesting. I do like it. So I am going to actually pull out my measuring tape and see how long this hair actually is. But that is pretty nice. So the other wig I ordered is also really good. It's just, I don't know The other one is only 32 inches compared to this one being 36 inches. So I don't know what I want. So most companies say to start with their measuring, like you could, just looking at this wig, you could still get a nice long middle part with this 13x4. Like I love a nice long middle part. That's one thing I don't like about this wig is the parting space just isn't enough. Like it's just not, I want a nice middle part, like to be like right here, sort of. So this one is still pretty long. But like I was saying, most companies, when they measure the wig, they measure it from about right here. So we're gonna do that and see how long the wig is. So, okay. Yeah, so I am getting 38. So y'all see, there it is, 38. I'm getting 38, holding it right there, about 38 inches. So this wig is pretty true to length. It's just, I don't know, it is very pretty though. I need to take a hot comb to the front of this wig. Like, I feel like this is a pretty thick hairline. And either, I am definitely going to tone this wig. I was more so going for an ash blonde, but this wig is super thick. So, I am going to pull out the other wig for you all that I ordered from another Aliexpress company. And we can kind of compare the two together in this video. So this one is from SVT. SVT, here it is. I guess I can link this for you too. It's from SVT. So this is the thickness of this wig. This is supposedly just a 32 inch, but when I measured it, it seemed a lot longer because they more so measure from the back is 32 inches. But from up here to down here, it's about 36 inches. So let me show you all the lengths of these two. So this is the wig from Fabeauty that we have been talking about right now, this whole video. So, of course, this wig is just a little longer. Okay, yeah, this wig is longer, of course, as it should be. They really look about the same, hold on, my chair. They really look like the same thickness. Honestly, I might even say this one might be a little thicker, even though, I don't know, they really are like the same thickness. Like, look at these. They're both very beautiful, but this one is a darker yellow. So I don't know, will it take more to tone it a little bit? But yeah, this is the SVT wig, and this is the wig from this video. So they are both very beautiful. Stand back, stand back. So yeah, both very nice. The only thing is this one, the SVT wig, is a 13x6, which gives you a lot more parting space. And this one is a 13x4. And comparing the price, this one is less than the other one. Of course, the one from Fabeauty. This one is longer, it costs less, but it is a 13x4 lace front. So it just depends what you want. Like now I'm confused and I don't know which wig I want to wear to see Beyonce. Like this is super long though, like. Do you know how extra you have to be to get a 613 wig this long? I love it though, I love it, love it, love it. Like, and this is super thick too. Like this is not your normal 150% density. Like, look at that. I'm not getting shedding with the SVT wig, the wig over here. I was getting a few strands when I first took it out the package, but this one I'm not getting shedding. So, I don't know. Look at that. This one is super thick. 150% densities do not look like this, y'all. Not most of the time at all. So this is really pretty. I've never encountered a 150% density that looks like this. That's really amazing. So it does have combs on the inside. I do normally take my combs out because I don't wear a wig cap when I wear my wigs, and it usually pulls out my real hair. The combs do, so I don't wear them at all. But yeah, this wig is really nice. This is long. Okay, it just might give. And I'm so happy. So my Beyonce concert falls around the same time the Barbie movie comes out, well, the same week. So I'm going to be blonde for the Barbie movie too. So I'm going to be really extra. I'm going to have a whole fit for that. So this might be my Barbie wig too. But yeah, here's this wig. This is really nice. Okay. Thick, 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 thick. So This wig was a 38 inch and it was still a couple dollars less than the 32 inch from SVT. But I'm sure a 32 inch from this company would be way less than a 32 inch from SVT. So if you want to save more money, I would definitely say this is the company to go with. Of course, I got to actually wear them, see which one is better. But I mean, I think they're both really good. It's just an unboxing, of course, you guys. But this is nice. I'm surprised. I just knew that little 150% was going to be thin. But like, this is nice. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at MadamBrittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys.